We have progressed so far that it's now time to plan to end the Chevrolet Bolt EV and EUV production, which will happen at the very end of the year.
General Motors (GM) has been making some big moves in the electric vehicle EV industry lately. They've overtaken Ford Motors and now sit as the second highest seller of EVs in America, right behind Tesla. It's an impressive feat considering the competition they're up against. But here's the kicker. They've recently announced that they're putting an end to the production of their best-selling EV, the Chevy Bolt. Now, this might come as a surprise to many. Why would they discontinue a car that's been doing so well? Well, let's dig a little deeper into GM's plans. The CEO of GM has something up their sleeve: a new EV priced at a mind-blowing $4,900. Yes, you heard that right. They're working on a super affordable EV that has the potential to replace the Chevy Bolt. It's a bold move, but it might just be what they need to stay ahead in the game. To understand the context behind GM's decisions, we need to take a look at their relationship with China. The CEO, Mary Barra, recently paid a visit to China, their biggest market. During her visit, she acknowledged the fierce competition they are facing from companies like Tesla and BYD in the Chinese EV market. But here's the interesting part. Barra had some important meetings with Shanghai's top brass. They discussed the future of GM's investments and research and development in the city. Shanghai's government sees the automotive industry as a crucial pillar of their economy, so they're eager to support GM's efforts. They even encourage GM to increase their investments and R&D in Shanghai. That's a promising sign for GM's future in China. Now, let's talk about the reasons behind ending the production of the Chevy Bolt. It all boils down to market dynamics. GM's market share in China has been dwindling, with vehicle deliveries dropping from 3.09 million in 2019 to 2.3 million the following year. That's a significant decline, and it's not just about the numbers. Their share of China's new car market has also taken a hit, falling from 15% in 2015 to 9.8% by 2022. Tough competition from Tesla and BYD has played a major role in this decline. You see, GM's electric vehicle lineup in China is limited compared to their rivals. They mainly rely on brands like Cadillac and Chevrolet to represent them in the EV market. While these brands have their own appeal, they haven't been able to match the diverse offerings of their competitors. And that's where the problem lies. In order to catch up, GM needs to expand their EV portfolio and offer more options to Chinese consumers. But don't worry, GM has a plan. They're speeding up the launch of new EV models, and they're not holding back. They're set to unveil 4 electric models across their popular brands like Buick, Cadillac, and Chevrolet. One of the most highly anticipated models is the sleek and futuristic Electric 5. It's expected to bring cutting-edge technology and electric power to the streets of China. GM knows they need to cater to the diverse tastes of Chinese consumers, and this move demonstrates their commitment to doing just that. One of the notable successes resulting from these partnerships is the development of the $4,900 Hongguang Mini EV, which became a popular model and the best-selling car in China last year. This vehicle revolutionized the market for many electric vehicles by selling over 1 million units of the Wuling Hongguang Mini in less than 3 years. However, sales of the electric mini car have been slowing down. Unlike Tesla and BYD, this limited selection has hindered GM's ability to compete effectively in the growing electric vehicle segment, contributing to its loss of market share to its electric rivals. In a bid to catch up with its EV rivals, GM is putting the pedal to the metal and accelerating the launch of the new EV models. The company is already overtaken Ford Motor Co. in the United States, securing the coveted second spot, is the highest seller of EVs in the first quarter of this year. But GM's ambitious plans don't stop there in the Chinese market, where the race for EV dominance is fiercer than ever. The company is gearing up to make a grand entrance this year. GM recognizes the importance of catering to the diverse taste of Chinese consumers, and the launch of electric models across different brands allow them to do just that. Now the $4,900 Mini EV is about to get even cheaper. The Say at GM Willing joint venture has introduced an innovative monthly battery payment plan for the highly successful Willing Hongwang Mini EV. This groundbreaking initiative allows customers to purchase the entry-level Mini EV for an incredibly low starting price of just $2,838. To make it even more convenient, customers can then pay a monthly fee of $28.00 for the battery over a period of 5 years. This innovative approach to pricing addresses one of the main barriers to EV adoption: battery costs. By offering a separate monthly payment plan for the battery, the joint venture makes the upfront cost of owning an electric vehicle significantly more affordable. This strategy not only makes EV ownership accessible to a wider range of consumers, but also encourages the adoption of environmentally friendly transportation options. One important aspect of this payment plan is that after the 5-year, customers will become the rightful owners of the battery. Unlike some EVs that feature removable or swappable batteries, the Willing Hongwang Mini EV has a fixed battery system, meaning the battery cannot be easily removed or swapped out. The Willing Hongwang Mini EV has already established itself as a blockbuster hit, capturing the hearts of Chinese consumers with its compact size, impressive range, and affordability with the introduction of the new monthly battery payment plan. A SAIC GM Willing joint venture aims to further fuel the popularity of the Willing Hongwang Mini EV and continue driving the growth of the mini electric vehicle market, one of the biggest challenges many people face when it comes to owning a car. This hurdle is even more pronounced in many developing countries where the vehicle's financing sector is not as well established due to various reasons, including the local economic situation and lower incomes. Introducing small and affordable vehicles that are easy to maintain and have lower operational costs can significantly lower the barrier to entry for individuals who simply need a practical means of transportation from point A to point B without extravagant features. In this context, a small and affordable battery electric vehicle could be a game changer. GM seems to have recognized this as an opportunity and is potentially poised to take advantage of it. By introducing small, affordable BEVs, GM can tap into the market demand for practical and cost-effective transportation solutions upon its launch in 2021. Hardtop versions of the vehicle outsold Tesla by an astonishing margin of over 100,000 units. The affordability factor coupled with its adorable design contributed to its immense popularity. Bringing this exceptionally affordable EV to the US market could potentially revolutionize the segment of city cars and attract a large number of American consumers to embrace electric mobility. The affordability of the Willing Hongwang Mini EV could be a game changer, especially for those seeking an accessible entry point into the world of electric cars. Although there's no official word yet on when or if sales will commence in the States, one can't help but speculate about the possibilities. Californians in particular might be the most eager U.S. buyers, especially considering the proposed state law that mandates all new cars sold there must be electric vehicles starting in 2035. With its budget-friendly price tag and eco-friendly credentials, the Willing Hongwang Mini EV could be the perfect fit for California consumers. The popularity and success of the Chinese version of the Willing Hongwang Mini EV provide a strong indication that its US launch may happen sooner rather than later. However, GM has not made any official announcements regarding the availability or timeline for the US market. The company has also announced that it is ending the production of the Chevy Bolt. And this move can be seen as a smart and calculated decision for several reasons. One of the key benefits of ending the production of the Chevy Bolt is that it frees up more workers and resources within GM to focus on developing and producing a smaller and more affordable alternative. Additionally, the Chevy Bolt has faced significant challenges in recent years, particularly concerning battery issues that could potentially result in the vehicle catching fire. These concerns prompted 2 recalls by GM and warnings to drivers to park their vehicles outside after charging the battery. Such safety concerns can have a significant impact on consumer trust and confidence in a vehicle model, ultimately affecting its market performance and reputation. Given these challenges, discontinuing the production of the Chevy Bolt and terminating its manufacturing is a reasonable decision from a business standpoint.